Welcome to the class, my dear student. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Today I will discuss question number 10. Use appropriate sentence connectors in the blank spaces of the following passage. And you have 5 marks. If you understand the text and then you understand the connectors and to fill the connectors appropriately, you will get 5 marks. Now let's have the text. Okay. Power is one of the most important factors for a developing countries like Bangladesh. You know, what do you mean by developing? Developing is developing day by day, okay? And here is a power is energy and electricity. It is important for developing countries. Like the rest of the countries of the world, similarly, the rest of the countries of the world, the demand for power, the need for power is increasing day by day in our country. At present, power failure has become an acute problem for this country. So at present or at this moment, it is important that power failure is load shedding has become an acute and major problem for this country. Moreover, the rural communities of the Bangladesh are the worst sufferer of this crisis. So it is the worst sufferer, not bad, worst, the superlative form. So the sufferer of this crisis. We are the blazer peoples are the most sufferer of this crisis. The causes of the shortage are many. The causes of the shortage is many. The reason of the shortage are many. Not only the limitation of resources, we have limited resources, and but low generations capacity, high demand, poor capacity of power station, machineries, etc. are responsible for this crisis. For becoming a developed country, because as a developed country, Bangladesh needs to overcome the problem of power crisis soon. So developed country need more power because they need to produce a lot of things. So that's why they need power, okay? And obviously renewable energy can be a great source to solve the problem, solve the power crisis problem. So renewable energy, it can be a source to solve the power crisis problem, including these sources are using of solar energy, okay, including that bioenergy, geothermal, wind energy, microhydro, ocean wave energy, and tidal energy, along with and beside that some immediate strategies. The government can take long-term strategies to overcome the electricity crisis. Primarily, it can include rationing the use of electricity, build peaking power plants and project to modify and renovate the old generation units. So, besides, the government can install nuclear power station and import electricity from India, Nepal, Bhutan, and Myanmar. So now you understand this in this sentence the word is like at present, moreover, not only, for, obviously, including, primarily, along with, and besides, all are the connectors. And if you fill the blanks appropriately, then you will get full marks. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy this class.